First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this lesson number 5 on the topic percentage, we are going to solve some of the question that is based on the concept called OTIS. So friends, this concept is very most important for all the recent competitive exams, because the question that is based on OTIS you can repeatedly see many times in the bank exam, prelims exams, and also in some of the IT sector interviews also. So remember that if you are going to learn a percentage topic, don't forget to learn the concept called OTIS. And in this lesson we are going to solve 8 different questions, and all the 8 different questions will be in the concept that is an election between two candidates. So the question will be completely like there will be an election, and that election there will be two candidates, and one candidate secure this much of vote, other candidate have secured this much of vote. So what is the total votes? So these are the concepts related question will be asked in this lesson. And before solving all the question, first of all let me discuss some of the important points. So only if you know this point, solving a question is little bit easy. Listen here, candidate 1 got 5,000 votes and won the election. So what is the meaning of point number 1? So out of two candidates, think that there is an election, there are two candidates. Out of two candidates, one candidate got 5,000 votes and won the election, which means candidate 1 got 5,000 votes. So he got 5,000 votes. This was the meaning of point number 1. Let me move on to point number 2. Candidate 1 won the election by a majority of 5,000 votes. What is the meaning of it? Candidate 1 won the election. So the first candidate won the election, right? Won the election by a majority of 5,000 votes, which means the two words is always important while solving the question that is based on OTIS. One is the word by, and another is the word majority. So these are the two words are most important. Listen carefully. In point number 1, candidate 1 got 5,000 total votes and he won the election. But in point number 2, candidate 1 won the election, but we don't know how many votes candidate 1 got. But listen carefully, he won the election by a majority of 5,000 votes, which means when compared to another candidate, candidate 1 got 5,000 votes more when compared to other candidate. Friends, got it? Can you see the difference between both the points? In this point, candidate 1 got 5,000 votes, but in this point, candidate 1 got 5,000 votes more when compared to other candidate, which means this 5,000 denotes winner loser difference. Friends, got it? Winner votes and the loser votes difference will be 5,000, which is called as majority. So always remember that the meaning of majority, or otherwise the word by, denotes winner votes minus loser votes, or otherwise difference, which is called as majority. So friends, while solving every question, read the question carefully, whether they have given total votes or whether they have given the total votes that was got by a candidate or otherwise majority. So these two words are most important while solving a question. And another important thing is total votes enrolled 100%. It's a base value, right? Whatever question that we are going to solve here, we always keep 100% as total votes enrolled. Right? Even they have given values or even they didn't give what is the total number of votes, but we always assume that 100% is the total votes enrolled. So these are the basics that you should know before solving a question. So don't forget to watch all the 8 different questions. Kindly watch all the 8 questions. There are various methods to solve a question, but this method that we are going to teach now will definitely help you for all the tough level questions and also for the easy level questions. So don't forget to watch all the 8 questions. After that, take your books and practice minimum of 10 to questions so that you will get an idea how to solve it. So let me move on to all the 8 questions based upon this lesson number 5. Now let me solve question number 1. Two persons contested an election of parliament. The winning candidate secured 57% of the total votes polled and won by a majority of 42,000. The total number of votes polled is. So interesting question. So let's first of all understand the concept of the question. So there is an election conducted at a parliament between two candidates, and if it is a two candidates, then definitely one candidate will be a winner and another candidate will be a loser. And in the question they have directly given that the winner candidate secured 57% of the total votes. Right? Out of total votes, winner got 57%. And remember that solving a question that is based on OTIS, two word is most important. Just now I have told you. One is the word majority and second is the word by. So these are the two words plays a major role while solving the question that is based on Otis, right? So first value they have given us, winner got 57%, and listen carefully, winner got 57% and won by a majority. Listen the word carefully, by a majority. What is the meaning of majority? Difference between winner percentage and the loser percentage is called as majority. So majority of votes is 42,000. So our target to find what is the total number of votes cast. So listen here friends, the data they have given is winner, right? So winner percentage is 57. And we already know that, just now I have told you, always remember that the total votes cast should be 100%. So we are always taking the total votes cast as 100%. Out of this 100% votes, we are assuming a base value as 100%. Got it? Out of 100% total votes, in that question they have said that winner got 57%. Then we can easily say what is loser percentage will be 43%. So friends, got it? If winner got 57% and we have assumed a base value total vote as 100%, so 100% total vote minus winner percentage will be loser percentage 43. And now we know that the majority is 42,000. And what is the meaning of majority? So majority is equal to winner percentage difference loser percentage is called as majority. Winner percentage is 57%. So loser percentage is 43%. So difference between both the percentage is 14%. So this 14% is called as majority, and this 14% they have given a value as 42,000. So majority, so friends, majority is 14%, which is 42,000. Our target to find what is the total number of votes. In the first result, we have made a base value as 100%, which is total number of votes. So our target to find what is 100%. So 100% is equals. So friends, understood this concept, right? I can explain you again. First thing is, we have taken a base value as 100%, which is total number of votes. We don't know how many total number of votes are there. So we have just assumed a base value, total number of votes is 100%. Out of this 100%, winner got 57. Then definitely we can say that 100 minus 57 will be the loser, which is 43. And next they have given a value majority. Majority, which means winner percentage difference loser percentage is called as majority. So 57% winner, loser will be 43, and difference is 14, which is called as majority. So that they have given 42,000 as majority, so 14% is difference, so 14% is equal to 42,000. Our target to find what is total number of votes. Total number of votes is 100%, 100% is equal to x. Now you need to cross this, right? So we can cancel percentage and percentage. So once you cross this, 14x is equals to, so 14 into x is equal to 42,000 into 100. So this can be written as x is equal to 42,000 into 100 divided by 14. So 14 3s are 42. So finally we can say that x is equal to 3 lakh, which means the total number of votes that is cast is 3 lakh. So finally we got an answer for question number 1, where the total number of votes is 3 lakh. There are different ways to solve this question, right? But I hope that this method will definitely help you to solve the question a little bit faster, right? So got the logic friends. They have given winner percentage. By using a base value 100%, we have subtracted the winner to get a loser, and they have given a majority, which means a difference. So winner percentage different loser percentage will be the majority. So 14% is the majority, which is 42,000. So next our target to find what is the total votes. We have assumed the total votes as 100%. So 100% is equal to x, just cross multiply it, and finally we got an answer. The total votes is 3 lakh. Question number 2. In an election, a candidate secured 40% of the votes but is defeated by only other candidate by a majority of 298 votes. Find the total number of votes recorded. So listen here, what the question says, there is an election between two candidates, and one candidate got 40%, and this candidate was defeated by another candidate by getting a majority of 298 votes. What is called as majority? Winner percentage difference loser percentage is called as majority, which means the candidate got secured 298 votes more when compared to other candidates, which is called as majority. So listen here, we already know that we should always take a base value, that is total number of votes polled, right, is 100%. right? So finally we have taken the total number of votes, it's 100%, and from this 100%, one candidate got 40%. So if one candidate got 40%, then definitely another candidate will be 60%. So got it? So we can say that this will be a winner percentage and this will be a loser percentage, because the total votes polled is 100 and one candidate got 40, so 100 minus 40 will be 60, and who will be the winner here? Definitely the person who is getting more number of percentage, he will be the winner. So we can say that 60% is winner, 40% is loser, and they have given a value that is majority. So we can say that winner percentage difference loser percentage is called as majority. So 60%, 40% difference will be 20%, and this 20% value they have given, that is 298. So our target to find what is the total number of votes recorded. Total number of votes recorded, we have taken a base value as 100. So 100% is equals to x. So x is equal to 298 into 100. Just cross multiply it, right? So 298 into 100 divided by 20. So we can cancel 0 and 0. So once you cancel this, 149. So finally x is equal to 1490. Just total number of votes polled will be 1490. So easiest question, just understand the concept, that is more than enough. If you understand the concept, then even the question is so tougher, you can easily solve the question by using this methodology. Question number 3. In an election between two candidates, one gets 72% of the total votes. If the total votes are 8,200, by how many votes did the winner win the election? So listen here, interesting question. The question is so simple, but remember that what you need to find is most important here. In the previous question, they have given a winner vote and the majority, and our target to find what is the total votes. But in this question, read the question carefully. In an election between two candidates, one candidate got 72% of the total votes. If the total votes, where the total vote is directly given, in the previous question we have found what is the total votes, but in this question total votes 8,200 is directly given. Our target to find majority by how many votes. Listen the question carefully. By how many votes did the winner win the election, which means the word by. That's why we have highlighted here by how many votes, which means the majority. So we need to find the difference between the winner percentage and the loser percentage. So what are all the values they have given? Total votes. So total votes, we always assume this as a base value 100%. Even they have given what is the total votes, we should assume a base value as 100% is the total votes. And one candidate got 72%, then definitely we can say that he will be the winner, right? 72%, so we can say that he is a winner. So loser percentage will be 28%. So out of total votes, where winner percentage is 72, so once you subtract 100 minus 72, resultant will be the loser, which is 28%. And we know that the total votes they have directly given, which is 8,200. So we can say that 100% total votes is 8,200. Now our target to find what is the majority, by how many votes, majority. So 72% minus 28%. So when you find the difference between both the values, which is 44%. So 72 difference 28 will be 44%, which is majority. So 44% we need to find what is the value. So we can cancel percentage. Now just cross multiply it. So 100 into x is equals to 8,200 into 44. So x is equal to, we can cancel 0 and 0. We can cancel 0 and 0. So finally 82 into 44. So now we need to multiply this 82 into 44 is 82 and 44. So 4 into 2 will be 8. 8 4s are 32. 4 2s are 8. 32 plus 8 will be 40. So remaining will be 4. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 4 will be 36. So 3608. So finally we can say that 3608 will be the majority, which means the winner got 3,608 votes more when compared to the other candidate. So finally we can say that answer for question number 3 is 3,608. Question number 4. In an election between two candidates, the candidate getting 60% of the votes polled is elected by a majority of 14,000 votes. The number of votes polled by the winning candidate is. So listen here, similarly an election between two candidates and one candidate got 60% of the total votes polled, and the value they have given 14,000 is a majority vote. So he got 60% of the total votes and won by a majority of 14,000. So by using this value, our target to find not the total vote, our target to find the number of votes polled by the winning candidate. So how many votes the winning candidate got. So similarly, where the total votes enrolled, right? So total votes enrolled will be 100%. So we always remember that while solving this question, we need to keep a base value 100% as total number of votes enrolled. So which is 100%. And here one candidate got 60%, and definitely we can say that he will be the winner, right? So winner, he got 60%, then loser percentage will be remaining 40%. And what the value they have given, majority is 14,000, which means the difference between winner percentage and loser percentage. So majority, which is difference, 20%. So majority they have given, that is 14,000. So our target to find the total number of votes where the winner candidate got. We already know that winner got 60%. So our target to find what is 60%. In the previous question we have found what is 100%, because the question that is based on total votes to be found. But in this question, our target to find the total number of votes that was got by the winning candidate. So 60% is winning candidate. So 60% is equal to X. So now we can cancel percentage and percentage. Now just cross multiply it. So 20X is equals to 14,000 into 60. So now we can cancel 0 and 0 here. So similarly 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. So finally we can say that 0 0 0, 4 into 3 will be 12, remaining will be 1, 3 plus 1 will be 4. So 42,000. So finally we can say that the winning candidate got 42,000 of the total votes. So answer for this question number 4 is 42,000. Question number 5. In an election, 3 candidates contested. The first candidate got 40% votes and the second got 36% votes. If the total number of votes polled were 36,000, find the number of votes got by the third candidate. It's really easiest question, and remember that all the previous question, 4 question that we have solved is based on 2 candidates contested, but in this question 3 candidates. But the concept remains the same. So what are all the values they have given? So out of 3 candidates, one candidate got 40%, another candidate got 36%, and our target to find what is the total number of votes that was got by the third candidate. And another value they have given is total number of votes is also given, which is 36,000. So listen here, always remember that the total number of votes enrolled, which is most important, we should always take this as 100%. So total number of votes should always be a base value, that is 100%. Out of this 100%, there are 3 candidates, first candidate, second candidate and third candidate. And first candidate got 40% of this vote and the second candidate got 36%. And we don't know what about the third candidate. Finding the third candidate is so easy. When you add both the values, 40 plus 36 will be 76. Out of 100%, when you subtract first 2 candidates, which is 76, remaining will be 24. So we can definitely say that the third candidate got 24%. So now our target to find number of votes that was got by the third candidate, we need to find what is this 24%. So we already know that 100%, the total votes, which is 36,000. And now our target to find what is the third candidate got, which is 24% is equal to X. Now just cross multiply it, cancel percentage and percentage. So when you cross this, 100x is equal to 36000 into 24. Now you can cancel 20 here. Similarly you can cancel 20. So x is equal to 360 into 24. So now we can multiply this, 36 into 24. So 6 4s are 24, remaining will be 2. 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 and 12 24, 24 plus 2 will be 26, remainder will be 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 will be 864. So finally we can say that 8640. So we can clearly say that the third candidate got 8,640 votes. So easiest question, right? Once you understand the concept, even it is based on 4 candidates or 5 candidates, everything is so simple if you understand the concept. So friends, finally in the first 5 question, we have solved the concept that is based on OTS, right? Between 2 or 3 candidates. But now after this question, we are going to solve which is based on invalid oaths. Some oaths will be invalid. That too will be so interesting. So now let me move on to question number 6. Question number 6. In a college election between 2 candidates, 10% of the votes cast are invalid. The winner gets 70% of the valid votes and defeats the loser by 1800 votes. How many votes were totally cast? So friends, in all the previous 5 questions, they are talking about the total votes and winner and the loser percentage. But in this question, out of total votes, where some votes are invalid, 10% of the votes are invalid. So it is based on the concept called invalid votes and also valid votes. Interesting question, because these are the questions are most expected for recent competitive exams. Not only for the bank exams, even some interview questions or IT sector interviews, we can able to see these types of pattern. So just see the way I am solving this question. So after watching this complete solvation method, take your books and practice more than 5 to 6 questions that is based on this invalid, so that you too will get an idea, right? So listen here, we always take a base value, that is total votes enrolled. Total votes enrolled will be 100%. No change in the base value, right? Always remember that even there is invalid vote, we always take total votes enrolled will be 100%. Now out of this 100%, what they have said is 10% of the votes are invalid. So out of 100, where 10% is invalid, so 10% of 100, so we can say that 90% of votes are valid now. This is step number 1. Friends, got it? Out of total vote, that is 100%, 10% are invalid. So we can say that 90% of votes is valid. This is the first. And the second is the winner gets, now they are talking about a winner. So winner gets 70%, most important, 70% of the valid votes. 70% of valid votes, which is 90%. Friends, got it? Valid votes is 90%. Out of this 90, winner got 70%. You should not wrongly think that out of 90, where most of the students will do like this. Out of 90% valid vote, winner got 70. Then definitely loser will be 20. Whether is this right? Is this right methodology? No, it is completely wrong. What they are saying is, out of this 90%, winner got 70%, which means you should calculate like this. So 70% can be written as 70 by 100 of which is multiplication 90. This is the thing that I have told you in the basics, right? 70 by 100 of which is multiplication into 90. So this can be written as 0, 0, 9 sevens are 63. So finally, now we can say that winner got 63%. Friends, got it, friends? What they have told is, out of this 90, winner got 70%. So 9%, winner got 70%, which means 70% of 90. So 70% of 90 will be 63%. So we can easily say that out of this 90%, winner got 63%. What about the loser? So if winner got 63, then the loser will be definitely 27%. So finally we can say that winner got 63%, loser got 27%. And the value they have given is, listen here, and defeats the loser by 1800. The word by, which is majority. Winner percentage minus loser percentage is called as majority. So winner percentage is 63%, loser percentage is 27%. So which is called as majority equal 36%. So finally we got a majority, that is 36%. So what is our target, friends? Our target to find what is the total number of votes cast, and we know that the majority 36% is 1800. So we can say that 36% is equal to 1800. Our target to find what is the total number of votes cast, we already know the total number of votes enrolled is always 100%. So 100% is equal to x. So x is equal to 1800 into 100 divided by 36. So 18 2s are 36, so 1 2s are 2, 50 times, which is x is equal to 5000. So finally we got an answer for question number 6, that is 5000, where the total number of oats cast, right? So friends, got it. So what are all the things that we have done is most important. So sorry to write like this. So friends, what are all the things that we have written here is, first thing what they have told us, total number of votes we have assumed as 100%. Total number of votes enrolled, always remember that it should be 100%. First they have given us 10% of votes are invalid. So out of 100%, 10% is invalid, which is 10% of votes is eliminated. So we have 90% of the votes. So 90% votes are valid votes. Now out of this 90%, winner got 70%, which means out of this 90, winner got 70. So 70% of 90, so this can be written as 63. So these are the things I have already told you in the basics. So 63%, which is winner, and we know that valid is 90. So 90 minus 63 will be 27, which is a loser. So winner will be 63, loser will be 27. The value that they have given 1800 is by 1800. The word by determines majority. So difference between winner and loser, majority will be 36%. So 36% majority, they have given 1800. Our target to find what is the total number of votes. So total votes will be 100%. 100% is equal to x. So once you cross this, finally we got an answer, that is total number of votes is 5000. So friends, if you are a beginner, you will feel little bit confused here. So not to be confused in anything, it's a concept. So take your book, practice more and more number of questions, then you too will get an idea, oh, this is the way to solve a question. It's so easy. So now let me move on to the next question. Question number 7. 8% of the voters in an election did not cast their votes. In this election, there were only 2 candidates. The winner, by obtaining 48% of the total votes, defeat his contestant by 1100 votes. The total number of votes in the election was. Listen here, interesting question, and this concept is similar to the previous question. The previous question where 10% of the votes are invalid, but in this question 8% of the voters did not vote in the election. So the similar concept, we always remember that total votes enrolled should be taken as 100%, no change in the value. Now out of this total voters and total votes enrolled, they are saying that 8% of the voters did not vote in the election. First we can subtract 8%, which is 92%. Now we can say that the total votes will be 92%. Listen carefully, what they are saying, in this election there were 2 candidates. The winner obtaining 48% of the total votes, which means out of this 92%, winner got 48%. And definitely we can say that if one candidate got 48%, which is winner, then another will be 44%, which is a loser. And so many students will have one doubt. In the previous question, the same concept related question, they have given that out of this 90, I think in the previous question, yeah, out of this 90%, winner got 70%. Look at the word carefully in the previous question. Winner got 70% of the valid votes. So only what we have did is 70% of 90. Then after calculating a value, we found the winner percentage, right? But in this question, they have directly given as 48%. You should not find what is 48% of 92. That is not the right methodology to solve it. Previous question, what they have mentioned is winner got 70% of the valid votes. So what we actually did, 70% of 90. But in this question, they have directly given that defeats the contestant by 1100, which means majority. So we can easily say that the difference is 4%, which is majority, and the majority they have given is 1100 votes. And our target to find the total number of voters in the election was, what is the total number of votes, will be 100%. So 100% is equals to x. So once you cross this, you can cancel percentage and percentage. So this can be written as x is equal to 1100 into 100 divided by 4. So once you cancel, this will be 25. So x is equal to, this will be 5, and 7, and this will be 200. So finally we can say that answer for this question is 27,500. So friends, I can explain you again, listen carefully. Total votes enrolled is 100%. Always the base value is same. Out of this 100%, 8% of the voters did not vote in the time of election. So 100 minus 8 will be 92. Now 92% will be the total number of votes. Out of this total number of votes is a direct statement. Winner got 48%. Then definitely loser will be 42, and the value they have given 1100 is majority. The word by they have given. We can easily say that majority 48%, 44%, majority is 4%, which is 1100. And listen the question carefully. The total number of voters in the election was. They are talking about the total number of voters. You should not calculate what is 92%, right? They are talking about the total number of voters. Total number of voters is 100%. So 100% is equal to X. So once you cross this, so finally we got 27,500. Last 8th question. In an assembly election, a candidate got 55% of the total valid votes. 2% of the total votes were declared invalid. If the total number of voters is 1,04,000, then the number of valid votes polled in the favor of candidate. Interesting question. Listen here. Similarly, what they are talking about between election between two candidates, and 2% of the votes were declared invalid. And listen the word carefully. 55%. A winner got 55% of the total valid votes. This question is similar to question number 6. In the previous question, where the winner percentage is directly given, but in this question, winner got 55% of the total valid votes, right? So similarly, we can do one thing. First, total votes valid, that is total votes enrolled will be 100%, always base value. Next is 2% of the votes were declared invalid, so minus 2%, which is 98%. Now we can say that 98% is valid votes, and out of this valid votes, where the winner got 55%, which means 55% of 98. So friends, listen carefully. In the previous question, they have given in a direct statement, but in this question, a winner got 55% of the valid vote, which is 98. So this can be written as 55 into 98 divided by 100%. So keep this percentage as it is. So now we need to multiply this, right? So 98 into 55. So I think let me do one thing. What is 50%? 50% of 98 will be 49. So 49 will be 50%. This is 5%. So 0.98 into 5. 8 5s are 44. 9 5s are 45. So this will be 49, which is 4.9. So 53.9. So finally we got 53.9%. So this will be the winner percentage. So friends, got it friends? So once you multiply this and divide by 100, you will find the same answer, that is 53.9. So finally we can say that out of this 100%, 2% is invalid. So valid vote is 98%. Out of this valid vote, winner got 55%. So we have found what is 55% of 98, which is 53.9. So finally we got the winner, that is 53.9. So they have given a total votes also. Total votes, that is 100%, is 1,04,000. And thing is, what they are asking, then the number of valid votes polled in favor of the candidate, which is the winner candidate. They are talking about the winner candidate. So winner candidate is 53.9% is equal to X. So we can cancel percentage and percentage. We can cancel 20 and 20. Similarly, here we have one decimal point. Remove the decimal point and cancel the 0. So finally, X is equal to 539 into 104. So X is equal to, so now we need to multiply this 539 into 104. So let me do one thing. This can be done as 539 into 100 plus 4. So 539, 53900. So 9 4s are 36, remainder will be 3, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 will be 15, remainder will be 1, 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21. So 6 5 10 6 5. So finally 560. So 56. So finally we got an answer, that is winning candidate will be 56,056. So friends, finally in this video we have solved 8 different questions that is based on the concept called Otis. I hope that you have understood the concept clearly. So after watching the complete video, take your books, which was again and again I am saying, take your books, practice more than 10 or 20 questions, only then you will find an idea how to solve this question. Just by watching this video you can able to understand the concept. Only by solving more number of questions you too will get an idea how to solve the question. So really thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like this video, share this video to your friends so that your friends can also learn this and they too can also select it in any competitive exams. So thank you so much for watching this. Bye.